stuck here. The cops won't bother me. Squids, since I've hit 1,000 subscribers on YouTube, I've actually started making some money. And it's kind of odd because, I never made money on YouTube. But today, in this video, I'm going to share with you exactly how much money I make on YouTube. Let's check it out. So here we are in the YouTube dashboard, and this is where all my videos are. So you can see this is where most of my videos are placed, and I have various views, various comments, not tremendous views or comments, but it's still kind of cool to see. And on the dashboard, you can see some more stats. For example, I have 1462 subscribers and I got 114 in the last 28 days. And I got 47% more views this month. And of course, things have been going up except my revenue, which is at $49. And, that's just 28 days, which is not that bad. I think of it as like gas money. Now, when you look at the analytics here, this is really where it gets interesting. I do like to look at this page and see what's happening because it's more like a video game. So in the 28 days, you can see this is my current stats. 114 subscribers, $49 that I made. Now up here, you can change the date or the period of time that you look at the analytics, for example. But in the 28 days, these are my popular videos. So these are the popular videos, and you can kind of go through and see how many people are watching them and the average duration. The V-Strom one has done pretty well. Now here you can change to 90 days or whatever, and you can see automatically that in the last 90 days I earned $202. Not a lot, but it's still kind of cool to see this. It's a whole lot more work to do than it's worth, but I enjoy it. And of course, here's the lifetime earnings. $420 that I made in the lifetime. You can see that I actually started the channel in 2016, and for the longest time I didn't make any money. And somewhere in the middle, I started making a little bit, and then Google changed the way it did the revenue, so it dropped until just recently, only like 3 months ago, is when I started making money. And you can see that my stats are going up and up. So I have kind of like this upward trajectory. I have a couple of very popular videos. The most popular video is the benefits of riding a scooter, and then one on riding on the dark side, and then my V-Strom one. So that is it, guys. This is how much I make on this YouTube channel. I think it's pretty interesting. I am not getting rich, but I'm still having a lot of fun showing you guys my rides and how to do stuff on a motorcycle. Hope you enjoy. I'll see you in the next video. Kind of stuck here. The cops won't bother me.